Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Solve. Today I will show you how to download Instagram posts. So let's get started. First, open Instagram. Next, select the post you want to download. Then tap the share button and select copy link. Now open the Play Store. Search for IG Downloader and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. When the app opens, your download will start automatically. That's it. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.